Good day, Risers. Welcome to the monthly specials. I pray that everyone is well and safe. For our welcome remarks today, we will talk briefly about change. You will notice that in the coming months, we will be introducing a few positive and exciting changes so that it's only appropriate that we talk a little bit about change and how change is integral or an important part of our growth. Change is part of our life from the day that we are born. Change has been with us as we go through our grade school, high school, and our college life. Change has been with us when we got our first job. Change has been with us when we got married and had our first child. Change has been with us through our life's ups and downs. Change has been with us since in 2020 when the coronavirus first appeared. Change is with us right now in our country with our newly elected president. Change has been with me as far as I can recall. Change was with me when I moved back from Saudi Arabia. It has been with me ever since I first consulted for various companies. Change was with me for almost 3 years when I was working with Coffee Bean. My role from the day I joined Coffee Bean is very different or expanded from the time that I left them. I believe that despite all these changes, God will always have a reason. When God closes a door, God opens a window. No matter how difficult life was for me, ever since the day that my father left us, I believe that there is a reason for it. It was a very painful change, but I believe that God had a good reason for allowing it to happen. At times, the change is a happy occasion, like being a husband or a father for the first time. At times, change is painful, like when I was kicked out of my home when I was 18 years old. At times, the change reminds me to be humble, to be grateful. In the end, we can only progress if we change. There is no progress without change. Great leaders leave the company or department they led in a much better shape than they first got it. Great leaders always leave behind a legacy of improvements. Change builds character. Change looks for development. Change strengthens our faith. It certainly strengthened my faith. As I land my message today, the summary of what I want to share with you can be understood from a quote from Oprah. The greatest discovery of all time is that a person can change his future by merely changing his attitude. Kung kaya mong baguhin ang buhay mo, kung babaguhin mo ang pananaw mo sa buhay. Kaya mong baguhin ang buhay mo kung babaguhin mo ang pananaw mo sa buhay. I leave you with a question. Kamusta naman ang attitude mo tungkol sa pagbabago? Thank you. And enjoy the rest of the monthly specials.